Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can set your diagrams and flowcharts on Coggle to public. For example, if you'd like to share it through a shareable link with co-editors online, not only through a QR code or with your contacts, but through that shareable link. Let me show you how we can do this. So let us dive into this. Navigate to Coggle, access your diagram, and here in the top right corner click into this share button. But before you create a shareable link below, what you need to do is click into publishing here at the top, switch from no to yes, and as you can see guys, now that diagram has been set to public. Now if I click into this button again, it will mean that everyone may see this diagram, for example in the Coggle gallery, for instance, or maybe searchable under your diagram's title, for instance. As long as it's set to public, you can set it back to unpublic or private. Simply click into no here or switch from yes to no. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.